All right. Game 1.
All ready?
Yeah.
All right, draw. Game 1 between Great Natures and Nubatamas.
Woo! Sorry, I'm going to move your deck.
Wash Up Raccoon Rides. Go.
Draw. I ride a perfect guard and swing for 11.
Ouch.
Trigger check. Stand trigger. All effects here.
Oh, yeah.
All right, draw. Ride the binoculus tiger.
All right, Duane, it's going to be on your mat a little bit. I'm sorry.
Okay.
It's right here. I think it's perfect.
Okay.
Choose another. This effect yet? 14 to Vanguard.
14?
Yes.
Okay.
But you.
Damage check. My go?
Mm-hmm.
Stand, draw. Ride Stealth Fiend of 1,000 Knives, Obero Zakura. And call 2 Stealth Dragon Kokigeos. Kokigeo.
Should get that checked out.
Alright, so 9. Another 9.
There's a cable sheep.
And then 15.
Let it hit.
Trigger check. Draw trigger. Power here and draw.
Binoculus tiger. Okay. Right. $16 Vanguard.
16. Take it.
Trigger check 1. Wow. Trigger check 2.
Damage. Tomahawk. My go.
Great to bear.
Stand. Draw. Ride a break ride.
Yes, it's a break ride this time, not a perfect guard.
Exactly. 16.
Out of hit.
Check 1. Check 2.
No trigger.
Go.
Hate this game. So much. Leopold. No. Break ride.
Into the kitty.
Rabbit, hamster.
Now it's a kitty. It's a lynx.
Gets the following effect on this unit.
When it's retired.
Let's try it. Gets the effect. Gets the effect. So I'm drawing 3.
Okay.
For 1 getting retired?
Yep.
Well, geez. Loopholes.
Okay, it doesn't matter because I can't give it. Give this. Can I give it a +4?
Probably not.
Choose another. Boom. Give him +4. Making him 22 to Vanguard.
22?
I retire it. I actually draw 4 because of the break ride.
Well done.
18 Vanguard.
18. No, sir, it is 28 because you broke road.
We have 28, whatever.
Take it.
I'm gonna draw 6 cards. All heal, and I can, but 5k to that.
Okay.
Heal,
Yep.
and draw 1, draw 2, draw 3, draw 4.
1. 2 damage. Stand trigger, power to Vanguard, stand my booster.
And these both are retired.
Alright, my go?
Yes.
So if I saw that right,
Stand.
retired 2, draw 4.
That's correct.
That's a graceful charity, sir.
I'm okay with that.
Sure you are. Alright,
Well, with 1 extra card. But anywho's.
break ride. You have to discard 1 and lock and bind 1 card from your hand face down.
You get it back at the end phase.
Yes.
Discard one.
Okay.
Bind.
Alright, these each got +2 for your binding. Then I'll call those. Swing for 18.
21. Let it hit.
16.
Wait. What does this do?
When it hits, I can Soul Blast 1 to get rid of up to 2 bound cards.
I'll let it hit.
Check 1, heal trigger, I can. Power to this rear guard. Check 2.
Take the damage. 5k. Draw.
No effect. 23 of Vanguard.
Hit.
Okay. And then you get that back.
Stand. And draw.
Yeah, I think it would have been 21.
Bring
No, no.
Ride the Vanguard.
Oh yeah, my attack would have been 26, but you let it hit. It doesn't matter.
I did math wrong in my head anyways.
I have to do that because I have to give it this far.
Called double monoculus tiger.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
No, just saying because I couldn't, or they can't see it.
Think here. Okay, two of your Great Nature rear guard, and they get +4. And if they were to be retired, they're not retired.
Okay.
Well, they get retired, but they come back.
Yeah.
Okay. So 14. I get a draw for each one that's retired.
Yeah.
+4 here. Lock. +4 here. +4 here. For his effect.
Mm-hmm.
Was that extra +4 on the raccoon or no?
No.
This is +4.
Oh, just for 4.
7 to nothing.
Getting more dice.
Numbers.
+8.
Yep, you got a
And him
+8
plus
total
4.
on that little raccoon over there.
It's guaranteed retire. That's all I care about.
So you're swinging for 7 and nothing?
Yes, because I have to attack the Vanguard.
Mm-hmm.
28 Vanguard.
Perfect guard. Ditching.
I think it'd actually be 32.
This.
But anyways.
It would be. Oh, shit. Hold on. So, I get another +4
So it's +12.
to him.
Duane +12, not 14. +12.
Because he was at
8 plus 12 is 8 plus 4 is 12, not 14.
You're just
Okay.
2 off. You're good. You're good.
11,
'Cause it's
22, 29, Vanguard.
29 at Vanguard.
Yes.
Yikes.
I'll let that hit.
Okay. Oh, a bunch of shit happens. Okay, these both get retired, but then his effect activates. These two both get called back, but his effect activates, allowing me to search.
You gotta put grade 1s back.
Grade 1s are higher.
Yeah.
Is it or higher?
Yeah, it is.
Grade 1. Okay, yep.
Those are higher. And grab another wash-up raccoon.
What-da-da?
Wash up.
And then I unlock. And then I draw, because this effect activates first. And then I draw. Go.
Okay.
Just one?
Just one.
Okay.
Stand. Draw. Alright. Your cards in hand is a lot, correct?
Yeah, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Alright. Well, we're gonna swing for... Swing, uses limit break, counter blast 1, bind all of your rear guards, face up,
Bind a face up.
bind them, face up. He gets +10 because there are more than 3 in your bind zone, and these each get +2 for each one, so they're each getting +10 as well.
Okay.
And this is 26 at Vanguard.
26, 21, 31,
It's 1 pass,
2.
2 pass, check 1, critical. All effects. Check 2. $31 to crit.
That's a stupid ass card, and I hate you. 26. Fucking depleting my hand. You win.
And then swing for the... You could get a heal.
No, I won't.
No heal.